Infotainment is really a unique company. It started out as an auto part company where we were selling auto parts, refurbishing and selling auto parts, and it turned into more of an engineering company. You know, we engineer a lot of our own parts in-house. We make everything 100% plug and play. We make it with a DIY mentality. We want these upgrades to be something you could do in your own garage, nothing that you have to have a ton of experience doing. Your average Joe can install the parts that we have. We have over 150, 200 videos, installation videos that actually shows you how to do it. So on a Saturday, you wake up and take the kids to baseball, and then when you get home, you could put in an upgrade in your truck or your vehicle. And it really sets us apart, not only from a plug and play kind of a fully compatibility guarantee perspective, but also the people that work here. They love working here. They love helping customers, new customers, old customers. It really sets us apart from our competition. My name is Doug Andrunas. I'm the founder and CEO of Infotainment.com. Infotainment was started back in 2008, also known as OEM Auto Parts Company. Before 2008, my father had a used car dealership, and that's really where I learned how to love cars. That's where I learned how to take apart cars. What I did is I started with radios, older Ram and Grand Cherokee radios, 2003, 2004 radios, learned the insides and outs of them. And in early 2008 is when I started selling them. Customers came to me frequently, how do I add a backup camera? How do I add Sirius satellite radio or Bluetooth capabilities? And those things I didn't know, but I worked tirelessly to figure that stuff out and work closely with customers and vendors and other companies early on. The number one thing and the number one reason why I love what I do is to come up with new things. You know, to go on forums and people are talking about something. Is it possible to do X? That's what drives me to come up with an idea, to bounce it off a lot of people here at the company. Everyone throws their 2 cents in from different angles, and it develops into an idea, and it develops into something that's marketable. And then getting that feedback from customers that say, oh my gosh, I love it. I can't believe you guys came up with that, just really drives me. And it gets to a point where it's overwhelming. I'm up till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning researching how is the wiring, how is it pinned out, how is it programmed, and making that idea come to fruition and available for sale just really drives me to want to get to the next project. I think it's exciting to get a brand new body vehicle, for instance, a Ram or an F-150, one of the first vehicles off the production floor, and getting it into the shop and then just destroying it, to reverse engineer the parts and how does it all fit and what programming is involved, what wiring is involved, looking through schematics. Just reverse engineering brand new vehicles is a lot of fun in my perspective. To partner with other people in the company, everyone brings different ideas and different thoughts into products or processes, and to team up with them to really come up with really cool, exciting upgrades is awesome.